Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make cinnamon swirl coffee cake. You would need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1/4 cup firmly packed light brown sugar, 1 cup granulated white sugar, half a cup, which is 113 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 large eggs at room temperature, and 1 cup of buttermilk at room temperature. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Butter or spray the pan with non-stick vegetable spray, or add parchment paper on the bottom. In a small bowl with the brown sugar, stir in the ground cinnamon. In a large bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, and baking soda. In a bowl of your electric mixer or with hand mixer, beat the butter until soft. Will take about 1 minute. Add the sugar and continue to beat on medium to high speed until light and fluffy, which will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Scrape down the sides and bottoms of the bowl as needed. Beat in the vanilla extract and salt. With the mixer on low speed, add the flour in 3 additions, alternately with the buttermilk in 2 additions, starting and ending with the flour. Mix only until combined. Spoon about half of the batter into the prepared pan, smoothing the top with the offset spatula or the back of a spoon. Then sprinkle on the batter about half of the cinnamon sugar topping. Cover with the remaining batter and then sprinkle with the remaining cinnamon sugar topping. Take a wooden skewer or knife and swirl the batter. Bake for about 55 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the middle of the cake comes out clean. Then remove from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack for about 10 minutes before removing from the pan. Serve warm or at room temperature. Can be stored at room temperature for about 3 days, or it can be frozen for about 1 month. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.